Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add a hyperlink in draw.io. Adding hyperlinks lets you connect shapes or text to websites, documents, or other resources directly from your diagram. First, open your diagram in draw.io and add a text element or shape to the canvas. Type the text you want to use for the link inside the shape or the text box. Let's say I want to add our channel SIPS's name. After adding it, select the text or shape, right-click on it, and choose Edit Link. You will see an option to add a URL. Simply paste or drag in the URL you want to use. In my case, I'll add the URL of my channel by copying and pasting the link. If you want the link to open in a new browser tab or window, enable the option to open in a new window. Then click OK. Now, when someone clicks on the text or shape, the link will open automatically. And that's it. We just learned how to add and configure hyperlinks on text and shapes in draw.io. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial video.